everybody, for today's video, come with me as I'm gonna be meeting a friend, a local here in Thailand. I met her on, like, during my first night, I met her on my first night, something like that. So I'm gonna be meeting her, and she offered like to tour me around. I'll see. I have a local friend on my first night. I got a friend, so I'm waiting for her, and we're gonna go for a stroll here. So ayun, let's go ahead and do it. Let's do this, everybody. Good evening from Phuket, Thailand. Ganda ng bata, oh. Walang makeup. I saw you. She's there. No, stay there. Ano ba yan, shucks? Kainaan ko to yung tumawid. Takot ako. Minsan malakas loob ko, minsan takot ako. Hindi ko alam. Hello! Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Sa ka. Say hi. Sorry? Yeah, it's hot. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi.
How to say in Philippines?
Okay, sawadee ka, it's okay. Hello, also, hello, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka, like this. She's my friend. See, I got a friend here. Where we going?
I will take you go to night market, but I change my bag.
Oh, okay.
So because
Which one is your motorcycle? Ay, see? Ay, ang saya, I like this. Okay. No helmet?
No, because just around here.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Sure?
I'm sure. I'm professional.
Okay. Oh, syempre, legit yan, lokal yan. So, laban lang tayo.
No, don't do that.
I didn't buy it though, the dress.
It's okay. I will take you for somewhere.
Wait. I'm gonna put down the... Wait, where is it? Pak, let's do it. Hi! Phuket, Thailand! Let's go, let's do it. I'm so happy. Oh, wow, here? Okay, you really a professional. Diyos ko, idinaan niya kami sa ano. Shocks. Okay, I'm starting to get nervous. Hoy, super betang Phuket, Thailand. I love that. Diba? So she's bringing me to that. We're gonna go to night market.
Night market.
Yeah. Sawadee ka. So yeah, because this one is too much famous in the Philippines.
Oh, Phuket.
No, the Sawadee ka.
You know what famous Filipino word in Thai? Mabuhay.
Yeah, mabuhay.
But
Yeah,
I don't know. Like, hi is it like
mabuhay is like welcome.
welcome?
Like something like that. Okay.
Go to the Bangla.
Last night, when you text me, I literally just went home. I was with a Russian guy. Sawadee ka! We were partying na, but he's like just a friend. Yeah, but he was trying to hit on me, but I was like, I'm not a girl, okay? He thought I was a girl.
I want to tell you something.
What?
At first time, I don't know that you are LGBTQ. I thought you like me.
Uh-huh.
So when I went to your channel, I said, oh my god,
What?
she looked like girl.
Really?
Yeah, at first time I don't know.
I don't know. Really?
Really?
Wow, and you're from here and you don't know? I actually met another people there. They also don't know.
I don't know.
I'm
So
happy.
I go to your channel.
Because, you know, I did
You
not...
look like a pretty
Thank
girl.
you. Kapong ka! You know, I did not take any medicine.
Medicine?
No, for like hormones? No.
Oh, wow.
This is 100% natural.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, even people are asking me like, what I use for my skin? No.
Because your skin like, you know,
Maybe.
really good.
But I don't use anything.
You went for fake, see my face.
What?
And your fake like baby fake.
Baby face?
Yes.
You always saying this. Why do you always say this? No. She was saying that she looks old, but I said no. Sawadee ka! Oh, laban. Hoy, everybody, if I'm telling you as early as now, book your ticket in Thailand. You're not gonna regret it. If you love to party, if you love lively place, if you want action, if you want this, ay, if you want abs, if you want more abs, it's all in Thailand, all in one. And if you like that kind of lives, it's legal here. Magsawa kayo. If you want hot guys, sawadee krap! A beautiful local
Oh my god.
who likes a black guy. I will edit that. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry about my vlog. If you're not comfortable, I always remove it. Okay, you're okay? With the black guy? Ah! My gosh, we cannot be together. We will be both dirty. 7-Eleven here is everywhere, no?
Everywhere.
Yeah, every corner there's 7-Eleven. I really don't know who's the girl here and who's not. They are all beautiful, really. The lady boys, I don't know. If they are lady boys, I cannot know. Maybe if they speak. But some lady boys I know, this lady boy. But a lot, no. I'm not sure who's the girl and who's not. But I know who has abs. My God, I want abs. I saw a black guy last night also. I like. The handsome is only number 2. The size is the number 1. Yes.
Good.
That's why we like the black guys. Sawadee krap.
This road is for Arab people.
Arab?
Arab.
This is Arabic area?
Yeah.
We will go there, ha?
Yes.
Okay! Hoy, marami daw Arabo doon. Alam nyo na mga habibi.
I know only one word, Habibi.
Yeah, habibi. What's this?
This is the night market I want.
This is where we will go?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, dinala nyo ako dito. Ang saya. I'm really happy. You know, every country I go, someone is really kind to me. I don't know why. Hoy, we will...
Hi too.
Thank you. Kapong ka. Kapong ka. Hoy, ang ganda. Wow. Welcome to Thailand, everybody. Ay, kapong ka. This is kapong ka. My God, kapong ka. Yeah, I like tall guy. Do you like tall guy?
Yes, I do.
Hoy, we're also gonna... Now I want to eat. Let's make it fast. My God, let's eat. No. My God. See, I easily change my mind if I see food. It's also my favorite. Hoy,
10 baht.
Each?
10 baht, yes.
Wow. Hoy! This is my sister's favorite. What did she say?
สวัสดีค่ะ
Saan? Hoy, ang sarap. 10 lang to, isa. Do you wanna eat? Let's, yeah, okay. Di ba, ang daling magbago ng isip namin. Sorry. I think this is takoyaki. Is there like any Halloween party here in Patong?
have many places.
Are we gonna go? We have to go.
Tonight?
No, not tonight. Like on the Halloween. When is
Tomorrow.
tomorrow? Yeah, because I buy highlight.
Have many drinks.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
And more cheaper than that market.
Okay. Ay, tingnan mo yung pinagdala niya sa akin, ang social. I need for Halloween.
This good? Or you
Yeah.
wanna be vampire?
Laban to, mami, oh. Ito ang bet. Babe. Uy, gusto ko to. Ang sexy. For the Halloween. Girl, magpapakarat ako, ay. I think there's more.
This one, I mean.
Wait, tignan nyo to.
Motorbike.
I like it. But I don't have that. But super bet. Shucks, ang ganda.
Happy.
Uy, everybody, ang daming Habibi dito. Habibi Road pala to. May Habibi Road na nagaganap. Shucks.
This is not much, you know, like, if like 11 p.m. or 10.
Really? Okay, let's go here later. I will go to this. What is the name of this place, babe?
Soy Sen.
Ha?
Soy Sen. Bye.
So, thanks. Bye. Babe, there's so much Habibi here. Ang gaganda ng mga beke dito, girl.
It's not much.
Yeah, later, okay, I will start putting the makeup now. Yes. Okay, I know this. At the back of Patong, there's the Habib. That's why, Babe! Baby, you're making me excited because of the Habibi. Yeah, too much Habibi here. Everybody, Habibi Road. See? This is the dress. She looks good on that dress. It's not the same for me.
Tang Silon that I wanna take you somewhere.
Sorry? Hey! Hey! Ay na. Hala, ang daming Habibi dito. Babe, there's abs. I saw the abs. I saw the abs. We have to stop. Bayan, ang kangagulo, grabe. Bayan, daming Habibi dito. Ayan na. Ang ingay ko. Babe, thank you very much for touring me around. Ay! Hala! Ay, wa! Ang sarap! Baka sigaw naman ako, sorry. Ang sarap. Shucks, naman nauubos yung pagka-demure ko dito. Ang gaganda ng mga beki. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, ang Thailand, nakaka-degrade ng ganda. Kung, skuday. Ako ganda-gandahan lang ako, hindi naman ako maganda. Pero girl, pag pumunta ka dito, maubos yung confidence mo. Oy, parang, tanong mo talaga sa Diyos kung anong ginagawa mong mali sa buhay. It's raining men, hallelujah.
Oh.
Para maisip mo talaga na, ang gaganda ng mga tao dito.
My friend.
Maganda, mapayat, maputi, makinis. Parang pinagkaitan ako. Dito ko na-realize talaga na hanggang ganda-gandahan lang ako. Ano nangyari? Ang gaganda ng tao dito, promise. This 7-Eleven or no?
Not this one.
Okay. The other one. Yeah, it's raining, man. Hoy, umuulan na, everybody. So, dito ko natapusin yung vlog ko noon. Magkita-kita tayo ulit tomorrow. I think I'm gonna be going to the mall. And then, Phuket Town maybe on the day after. I don't know. So, let's do what I usually do, like without just go with the flow. Mga ginagawa ko everyday. Everybody, so that's gonna be it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another day here in Phuket. Babe, thank you so much.
Welcome, babe.
I appreciate your time and everything. The effort. I told you, everywhere I go, someone is kind. Thank you. Dahil daw mabait ako. See, I told you. I love you for that. Let's end this, babe. Kapong ka! Ganda. Everybody, let's go Bantam Beach. Let's celebrate Halloween party here. Let's do it. Taas ang energy, di ba? Alam mo yan. Oo. Kasi nagpahinga talaga ako for tonight. Yes. Alam nyo na. Magbabaliw-baliwan tayo sa Thailand. Lalaban tayo, lalaban. Tara Yumi, pag ano to sila girl, oo, yung parang 3D kinemperut. Oo. Di niya kayang lumabas. Charot, charot. Ah. Hunting tayo for tonight, everybody. Tara. Let's go, let's do it. Hoy, ito yung Scorpio, no? Shucks. Hindi ko kaya. Ay. Gusto ko yung gano'n na lang. Galing yung mga kahinaan ko. Yes. Mahina tayo sa mga gano'n. Pak, oh. For tonight, labanan. Kung parang 1,000%. For tonight's video, 1,000% yung energy natin, everybody. Thailand to, gago. Dapat buo, dapat ganap. Oo, hindi pwedeng putyo-putyo. Oo, lalaban. Ganda, gago. Umayos kayo sa Thailand. Oo. Pag nasa Thailand, hindi pwedeng putyo-putyo. Dapat laban, dapat ganap, dapat buo. Ganon. Gusto ko yung pa-prisoner effect. Gusto ko yan. Kung sila yung makakasama mo sa kulungan, magpakulong ka. Diba? Pag ganun, magpakulong ka, gago. Oo. For tonight's episode, hanggat maaga ako na nagsasabi, hindi ito pang bata. Andyan kami kagabi. Lumalaban ako dyan kagabi. Akala ko costume yung tourist police. Shoot Kinabahan ako for my life. Mami, gagi, wala kayong talo sa Thailand, gago. Punta kayo dito. Baka mag-book na kayo ng Thailand. Hoy! Hoy! For today's video, umuwi tayo. Nakalimutan ko yung wallet ko, tanga-tanga ako. Ay! Parang ang perfect ko, gago. Buo din eh. Pero mas buo sila, girl. Laban, Mayos kayo sa Thailand. Ako nagsasabi sa inyo bago kayo pumunta dito, magpaganda kayo. Gago. Tai-tai ako dito, mukha akong tai sa Thailand. Alam niyo, hindi ako nagme-makeup, pero kailangan ko siya dito, girl. 2 kilo yung foundation ko, girl. Tai pa din ako dito. Hindi ako maganda sa Thailand, tangina. Tai-tai lang ako dito, syuta. Hindi nakakaganda yung Thailand, nakakababa ng pagkatao. O kaya ayoko may makeup kasi tala mo, pag nangangati, hindi ko makamot. Nai-stress ako. Alam mo, feeling ko, pag uwi ko galing Thailand, may depression na ako. Tingnan mo, Kung nakikita nyo ba yan? Di mo alam kung tao pa yan o manika. Ang ganda, grabe. Pag uwi ko galing Thailand, yung buhay ko parang wala na, parang ayoko nang mabuhay. Ang ganda ng mga tao, nakakabuisit. Pero syempre, lalaban tayo, selected tayo. Sa akin may naghihintay 1 oras. Ay, ganda. Iba din talaga. Late na naman ako, sorry. Kaya alam niyo yan, hindi ako nalilate, pero sorry, ang dami kong ginagawa today. Yung kikitain ko, yung kaibigan ko, 9:30 usapan namin, girl. 10:40 na yata, wala akong relo, nakalimutan ko yung wallet ko, yung relo ko. Basta importante, maraming gwapo, okay na yun, go. Grabe, ang daming gwapo, dahil maganda. Hello! Again, pag pumunta kayo ng Thailand, gago, mag-ayos kayo. Huwag kayo tataihin kayo ng mga tao dito. Alam mo, kung siya yung nagbebenta, bumili ka. So, grabe, ang daming... Para ka naglalakad sa girl. Alam mo, parang yung street ng mga nagdo-audition para maging artista. Tapos lahat pasok. Ganun. Tangkad, grabe. Tangkad niya. Uulitin ko, ha? Magpumunta kayo ng Thailand, mag-ayos muna kayo ng sarili nyo. Grabe yung tao dito, ang gaganda. Grabe ang tangkad niya, Tignan mo yung tsura, ang gaganda. Wait lang. Grabe, oo. Gagi, umayos kayo sa Thailand. Kikitain ko. Ako na yung nahihiya. Bakit kasi masyadong on time siya? So, ay! Gago, paano na lang kung di ako maputi? Tain na ako dito. Tignan mo, oh. Oh, pak! Yung mga balakang nila, girl, nakakainggit. Pak, oh. Up, sorry. Aywa. Kung yung kikitain ko, saglit lang. Ay, hindi mo kayang hiwain. Ay, hiniwa nga. Ganda siya. Grabe, ganda-ganda ako sa mga tao dito. Ah! Pak, oh! Pak, oh! Laban siya, oh! Pak, oh! Super bet! Ang galing niya sumayaw!
Y enséñame ese pasito, que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, taqui taqui, taqui taqui,
Hoy, promise! Promise ako nasasabi sa inyo, hindi sayang. Pag nag-Thailand kayo, lahat ng gagastusin nyo dito, worth it. Bawi, panalo. Ay. Ay. Hala. Pag sila, sumama ka. Oo, huwag ka na magtanong. Huwag ka na magtanong kung top, bottom, burst, pag ganyan. Okay, go, laban. Huwag kayong maarte. Hindi na ako nakabili ng alak ko. Paano ang daming nangyayari? Dito na lang ako bibili. Hala, baby boy. Teka lang naman yung kikitain ko. 10:35 na yung oras. Gagi. Lapot na ako, wala na. Ay, ang taray. Buo din sila. Hindi ba? Hindi na ako naglagay ng kung ano-ano sa mukha. Siyempre hindi ka na nga maganda, dudumihan mo pa yung mukha mo. Oo, hayaan mo na sa mga magaganda yung kasi bagay sa kanila yun. Ay, bakit may paano? Bakit may mga pa-soldier na nagaganap? An meron? Hoy, yung kikitain ko, asan na siya? Dito kami nagkikita for 3 days. Ay! Ay, wag kayong ano, kaibigan ko lang to, ha? Hey! Makakaway naman siya. How are you?
Fine, fine.
What's with you? You're alone? I love your Russian accent. With a map. Arabo tong mga to. Kahit anong kanta pumapalakpak eh. Nag-enjoy siya mag-isa dyan, o go. pag kayo, nag-travel kayo, kailangan kasama nyo ganito. Yung kayang ano, kaya din mag-enjoy mag-isa. Ganyan yung mga nakakasundo ko. Break time, di ba? Yung habang nagiinom ka, bigla ka nagutom, kumain ka? Oo. Di ba? Ito yung totoong buhay ng mga solo traveler, hoy. Wala kang aasahan, sarili mo lang, wala kang mga kaibigan maghahawak ng gamit mo. Lahat dala-dala mo, girl, kumain ka. Kain mo na ako, din magkita-kita tayo ulit, let's go party. Kain, loves lang talaga ako dahil gutom na ako. Hi, may namit ako, makain ako sa McDo, tapos sabi niya, pwedeng patikim ng soju o go.
소주.
How do you say hello in Korea? Annyeonghaseyo. Ang cute. So,
Not fan of that soju.
맛있다.
맛있겠지.
I'm not good at drinking that much, but
I don't drink much.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think one bottle we're
Jacob.
gonna get drunk.
really.
Let's see what you buy.
Pasok still there. Pasok still there.
Kala mo McDo to? Hoy, soju laman nito.
한 번만 멋진 모습 봤다.
Sure.
만나서 반가워요. 이런 거 하는 거 처음인데.
Ang cute! Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it. So love it.
Amazing.
Actually, before we come to Tech, he really wanted to go Philippines. Yeah, because we have a full of memories in Philippines. We love it.
Okay, yeah. There's a lot of Koreans in Cebu.
Oh yes, Cebu also we have Boracay so many times, right? So many times.
Yeah,
나 마닐라도 많이 갔어.
Manila to and we have so many friends.
that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's
They're
amazing.
so friendly. Sorry? They are so friendly. I mean,
Yeah, Filipinos are. I can see that. Why? This vlog is about ano lang. It's about ano ba? Hindi ko rin alam. Basta manood na lang kayo, i-enjoy nyo na lang tong vlog na to. Tequila 5 shots. Eh, ang ganda. Oh. Ay, wala. Masarap niya. Yung kasama ko baka mawala. Where's your phone? Where's your phone? My phone? Yeah, it's there? Ah, okay. Baka kasi mawala siya. Oo, baka magkahiwalay kami. Alam mo naman lang kung baka bilang ko sumama kung kani-kanino. Text ko na lang siya, oy, nandito ako. Hala, sarap niya. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Hala. Hala. Gago yung mga tao dito, hindi laro yung ganda. Nakakababa ng pagkatao talaga. Parang ayoko nang tumuloy. Gusto ko na lang umuwi. Hey everybody, so that's gonna be it. I'm heading back home. I hope that you enjoyed watching that. Ano ba? How do you call it? The Halloween party here in Thailand. It's a very quick but a magarbo and a very masayang experience for all of us. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo at hulas na hulas ako, girl. Kailangan ko na umuwi. Yes, so okay, magkita-kita tayo tomorrow. Let's see kung anong ganap. So matulog kayo ng maayos. Sa mga religious, magdasal. Sa mga hindi masyado magpasalamat, go. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. I'll see what I will do tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, Toretto.